Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you the past perfect in grammar. Grammar is my utopia, so I'm going to teach you how to form the past or the past perfect. Any tense in English, I told you before, you should know about it 5 items. Number one, form, had plus PP, past participle of the verb. What is the contraction of had apostrophe D? If after apostrophe D past participle, that means past perfect. But if apostrophe D, it can be the abbreviation or contraction of would, can be the contraction of would. We should use after it infinitive of the verb or the main verb or the stem of the verb. So, what is the form of the past perfect? I say had plus past participle. Number two, what are the key words? Keywords of the past perfect. We say here we have a lot of conjunctions, or I say connectors, like what? Like after two sentences, two clauses, after, as, soon, as, the same, rule, before, opposite, the contrary, before, by the time, the same, like before, two clauses, when, the same, until. Here, the conjunctions after, we should use it after it, past perfect. Past perfect, here I say past simple. As soon as the same, past perfect, past simple. Before past simple, here I say past perfect. By the time, the same equal in the meaning before, and also past simple, past perfect. When, the same past simple, past perfect. But until here, we should use it here in the middle only. I say until. Here, past simple, before it, past simple. In negative, didn't, plus infinitive, the first sentence, first clause. And here I say past perfect. For example, I say after I had eaten, after I had eaten, I went out. Past simple, past perfect. Who can use here instead of or rather than after? We use before. Before is the opposite. I say before I went out, I had eaten. That's right here. Past simple, past perfect. Until here. For example, here the sentence of before. I say I didn't go out until I had eaten. Here I used here until at the middle only. I say I didn't go out, used here past simple negative, didn't go out until I had eaten. This is here I say the rule of until. Now I say here the usage number 3 of the past perfect. The usage. how can I, or when I use the past perfect? I have here, for example, first action and second action. I have two actions in the past. Two actions in the past. The first action, it should be past perfect. The second action should be past simple. For example, I say, after I had studied, this is first, after I had studied, I watched TV. What did you do first? Did you study first or did you watch the TV first? No, I say here, I had studied first. After this action in the past came another action in the past. It is a past simple. Okay? First, I played. Then, first I played, then I watched TV. Okay? Use here, for example, here, use before or by the time. Before. Capital here, right? Before. Before. After before, we should use past simple, past perfect. Before I watched TV, comma, I had played. We can use say here, the past perfect is after, before, after the conjunction after, we use the past perfect, and before the as a conjunction we use here the past perfect. Number 4, I say negation. I say here had, hadn't, or I say had not. Number 5, questions. How to put the questions in the past perfect? I say had at the beginning plus subject plus PP plus addition, or if you don't have addition you can make a question easily. Okay, had you played tennis, for example? We should answer here yes or no. Had. Yes, I had, or no, I hadn't. Okay. What had you done? Double H question. What had you done? What had you done? I had eaten a cake. I had studied my lessons. Okay, now